Today, we're diving into the world of one of the most iconic cars ever made, the Renault 5 Turbo. This legendary vehicle took the rally world by storm in the 1980s and earned a special place on the roads. We'll explore its history, design, and technology in detail. Let's get started. The Renault 5 Turbo first hit the market in 1980. It was developed as a high-performance, sporty version of the standard Renault 5. The main goal behind this car was to give Renault a stronger presence in the rally world. Specifically designed for Group B rallies, it quickly achieved great success and bolstered Renault's reputation in motorsports. The Renault 5 Turbo had a significantly different look compared to the standard Renault 5 of its time. With its flared wheel arches, large rear air intakes, and a mid-engine layout, it exuded the aura of a true sports car. Inside, the car featured sporty elements that reflected the era's spirit. Recaro seats, a special steering wheel, and a unique instrument panel all contributed to its sporty character. One of the standout features of the Renault 5 Turbo was its mid-engine configuration. This design optimized weight distribution and handling, offering an exceptional driving experience. The 1.4-liter turbocharged engine produced 160 horsepower in its first generation. This allowed it to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 6.9 seconds and reach a top speed of 124 miles per hour, 200 kilometers per hour. These performance figures were enough to outclass many sports cars of that era. The Renault 5 Turbo brought numerous technological advancements to the table. The effective use of turbocharging technology in such a compact hatchback was considered a significant step in automotive engineering. Additionally, features like the lightweight and durable aluminum chassis and independent suspension system enabled this car to deliver top-notch performance on rally tracks. The Renault 5 Turbo is especially remembered for its success in the rally world. It made its debut at the 1981 Monte Carlo Rally and quickly became one of the most feared names on rally tracks. One of the car's greatest victories was when Gian Ragnati clinched first place at the 1981 Monte Carlo Rally. This triumph secured the Renault 5 Turbo's permanent place in rally history. Today, it remains a highly valued model among collectors and classic car enthusiasts. The Renault 5 Turbo continues to capture the hearts of automotive fans as one of the most iconic models in history. With its groundbreaking performance and design, it was truly ahead of its time and stands as one of Renault's most significant contributions to sports car history. If you want to learn more about this legend, make sure to subscribe to our channel and like our videos. See you in the next video.